Hey friend, welcome back. My name is Aaliyah and the goal with this channel is to help make all things Mexico sound not so foreign to foreigners. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make an appointment for your INE identification card. So let's dive right in. For today's video, I'll be using a Google Chrome web browser. You start by going to the website on the screen as well as in the description portion of the video, which is INE.mx. And it'll take you to this landing page. And to make an appointment, you can click Haz una cita, or I'll translate it in English, make an appointment. But for me, I usually always just click on voting card here. It'll take you to the same exact page where you can make an appointment. Or if your browser's in Spanish, Haz una cita. It's the same exact web page, tomato, tomato. Believe it or not, filling out applications here in Mexico is a lot easier for me in Spanish, but for the purpose of the video, I'll translate it into English. So the application will start with asking your federal entity or which state in Mexico you would like to make the appointment in. I will select Chiapas. The next is the municipality. I'd compare it to maybe the county in the States. And if you're having trouble locating your municipality in Mexico, leave a comment down below and I'll see if I can help you. So for this one, I will select, Las Magritas. Once you select your municipality, you will then select the location in the city that you want it to be at. If there's more than one location, they will all pop up, but for Las Magritas in Chiapas, there's only one location, so I will select that one. It will tell you their office hours, as well as their address here. And then if you scroll down, a calendar pops up. Of course, if November doesn't work, you can go to the next month, which is December, and you'll see a lot more availability. But I'll go back to November. You can also see that the calendar starts with Monday. So that's important to note. Know that this day is not Sunday. So it starts with Monday and then it goes to Sunday. White means that the dates have already passed. You can't make an appointment in the past. Purple usually means their office are closed. So whether it be the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, or a holiday. So the 21st of November is Revolution Day, Dia de Revolución. So they're closed on that Monday. But generally, the offices is open Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Red, if there was any red, that would mean there is no appointment availability, that they all were taken. Yellow, of course, means low availability, and green means high availability. Hot tip, I'm going to wait to actually select my appointment until I've filled out step 2 and step 3. Because once you select your date, you'll have 5 minutes to complete the appointment. And even though 5 minutes is a reasonable amount of time, I just don't like feeling pressure for time. In an effort to not start the clock, I'm going to fill out step 2 and step 3 and then go back to the calendar and schedule. So with step 2, it is what procedure you'll be doing at the INE office. Next, you will need your nationality document. So which document will you be using to prove your Mexicanicity? Next is what supporting photo ID will you bring? These are the different options. I will select passport. And then lastly, what proof of address will you be bringing into the appointment? These are all the available ones. Next, step 3. This person's name will be Jane Doe. She'll be from the States and not have 2 last names, so nothing will be there. You can put a phone number if you wish, but it doesn't have a red asterisk next to it, so it's not required. I won't enter one. I will put an email in because an email is required. And here is where you would type in if you need any specialized assistance, whether that be wheelchair assistance, assistance for the visually impaired, hearing impaired. I've never typed in a translator, and I don't necessarily know if they'll have a translator if you type that in here, but hey, you never know. I say try it and let me know in the comment section if it works. But I won't type in anything there. Next, you enter the code that's shown there on the screen, proving you're not a robot. And next, it's not required, but it asks, do you live abroad? This drop-down menu will only drop down if you select yes. Then you're able to select it, but if you are not residing abroad, just select no, and it will automatically type in Mexico, or you don't have to fill it in at all. So now that we have step 2 and step 3 filled out, we can go back to our calendar and choose a date. I will choose November 25th. And then the available hours will pop up. So I'll click 8 a.m. and then it will pop up here in this red box. So once I click book time, it'll pop up telling you have 5 minutes to make the appointment. You can say okay, and you'll see the timer start. But because you've already filled out step 2 and step 3, you don't even need the timer. Scroll all the way down and you select confirm appointment. Then you verify that all of your information is correct. You select okay. Once you confirm all those details are correct and you select make appointment, this screen will pop up, and this screen is a confirmation of your appointment day. They will also email you a confirmation email, and it will look like this. And I would say print either the email confirmation and or the confirmation page that pops up after you make the appointment, and bring it with you on appointment day. You can print this confirmation here by going down to this bottom button down here and clicking imprimir, or to print, and then it'll give you an option to print it. So print it, bring it to your appointment day, and you're all set to get your INE. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video. Hasta pronto, friend. See you soon. Nos vemos.